Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all?
Walaikum assalam, sir.
Wonderful. Today we explore charge mystery.
Yes, sir, we are ready.
Excellent, let's begin. Class, today we solve a mystery.
Sir, please not another crime story.
Relax, Ali, this is a charge mystery.
Sir, like phone charging?
No, your brain needs charging. Oxidation number is the apparent charge on an atom.
Apparent means not real?
Exactly. It's like an imaginary charge we assign to understand reactions.
So it's fake?
Not fake, just assumed for understanding. Oxidation number can be positive, like this happy face, 0, like this neutral face, negative, like this angry face,
Sir, why does the negative one look angry?
because it gained electrons and became powerful. The oxidation number depends on how atoms are combined.
So same atom can have different values?
Exactly.
Sir, like me, good at home, lazy in class?
Perfect example.
Sir, so it's not real charge, but we treat it like real?
Yes.
Sir, chemistry is confusing.
No, chemistry is just dramatic. Think of oxidation number like roles in a group project. One student is a leader who gives, that's positive.
One remains neutral, 0.
And one takes from others, that's negative.
Sir, I'm always neutral.
Are you making a political joke? In life, people take different roles. Some give more, some take more. But everyone is part of the system.
So value depends on situation?
Exactly. Everyone matters in their own way.
Sir, what is my oxidation number?
Sometimes 0, sometimes positive, but mostly unknown. But Ali is my hero student. Simple moral. Just like oxidation numbers, people may appear different in different situations, but everyone has a role and value.
We understand, sir.
Alright everyone, that's it for today's class. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye class.